Hi friends, and welcome to Shop with Mimi. If you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here for a while, hello. I hope you're all doing great. Today's video is a Burlington shoes browse with me. So if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's just get right into the video. Before we head to the shoe section, I was walking by the sun hats and this one here caught my eye, so I wanted to go ahead and share it with you guys. I absolutely love the bling around it. It was so beautiful. So after this section, I was also distracted by all of the beautiful sunglasses, so I wanted to share two of them that stood out to me. This one here was so beautiful. I thought it'd be perfect lounging by the pool during summer. And then another one that I had seen that caught my eye was a Jessica Simpson sunglasses, and I absolutely loved the tortoise shell around it. It was so beautiful. It had a little bit of a tint of purple, and I just thought it'd be perfect for summer as well. So let's head over to the shoes. I hope you guys enjoyed browsing the Burlington shoe department with me. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite shoes were, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye-bye.